Hi, this is Marielle, Mom and a Girl with Plans, and I am showing the Playful Pastels items that I got in my Happy Planner Squad box. I'm gonna flip through the planner, but I'm gonna show you some of the other accessories first, and I'll do these separately in another video with more details. So this is the Happy Plan sticker book. This might be one of my favorites in the whole collection. This is a plastic envelope set. It's pretty. I love envelopes. I probably have way too many. Now this is amazing. It's a snap-in soft planner cover, and this is a gorgeous, like, very soft, almost peachy pink with rose gold. Very neutral. Oh, so much you can do with that. These are dividers. Believe there is good in the world, and this has kind of like a watercolor look and just really graphic and pretty and pastel. Okay, Happy Planner did not leave out all of you who love big planners. This daily checklist, I love it. I love the design, the colors, everything about it. So cool. And then we've also got a black and white. It kind of has the ink on there. And it's got lines and then grid on this side. And then a sticker planning guide, finally, for all of those of you that love the big. This would be great for my memory planning, kind of planning out where I'm going to put the photos before I actually commit to it, as well as stickers. I think this would help a lot with that. So I'm excited to try these out too. All right. First up. This is the planner that I got from this collection, and I adore it. At first, I was like, well, what is this? You know, it's got the little heart on there with the love life in French, and I was like, okay. But inside, oh, let me just show you. Okay, pretty stripes on this side. It's a dashboard layout. Love this hello page. It's really different from kind of the traditional one that we have seen from Happy Planner. And it says this Happy Planner belongs to, and the name decal, or you would write your name in there, or like me, I put a decal sometimes, or sticker letters. So I just love the design of it. And then we've got the years at a glance with the watercolor detail at the top, and the months with the shaded weekend. Again, a little bit of watercolor throughout, and it's changing from aqua to purple to a soft pink, and these are the colors that are going to be in this planner. Okay, but my favorite thing is that this is kind of a nod to seasonal, and if you know me, you know I love all things seasonal. So I love that it's definitely seasonal, but it's not always like the traditional. For example, July is stars and little sparkles. Typically you see red, white, and blue, and this is done in really pretty kind of coral and yellow and hot pink and light pink. Just a lot of fun. Now again, really quick, this dashboard is a very open layout. It's got jotted down, note to self, and important notes and dates, and you can fill it out however you want, and I love that it can be customized. All right, let's take a look. So our monthly is, again, very simple, just a hint of the watercolor in the corners. And the dashboard is going to have the color for that month. So this is purple this month with just a hint of watercolor, and then the errands filled in. And I think there's two schools of thought. Some people love the color and can't stand it when it's not there, and other people don't like color. This planner, though, I just feel is so clean and fresh that the color that on this one doesn't really, bother me or stand out, because I'm all about covering it. But I don't know. I'm really loving this planner. Okay. This is August. Life is Sweet. So very summery and fresh. This lettering is beautiful. And then, whoops, I got too excited. So August is going to have the pale green as the colorway. September, change, never be afraid of change. That is so, the little tiny mushrooms with some gold detailing on here. then we've got the soft pink. October has your candles, leaves, and mushrooms with a soft yellow. And then I believe the colors are going to start repeating. So November, very graphic, thankful with the gold foil. We start with the purple again. So we'll just go through dividers. I love this one. I love it. I have a thing for holly berry, like little berries and I don't know, leaves at Christmas time. I don't know. It's ridiculous, but I love it. And the joyful, and in these really fun kind of fresh colors. New day, new start, little snowflakes. I'll butcher that. L'amour, la vie, love life, feeling lucky in life. And again, it's a nod to St. Patrick's Day without being like overly done. And it's so good. In April, I love this. Focus on the good. And then these really pretty florals. And then May, we've got the florals just scattered all throughout. May flowers. Hello, sunshine for June. Again, I'm obsessed with that lettering. Vacation days with the gold foil and the gold sparkles all around. August, good things are coming. September has some nice pretty stripes, just like the inside cover. Oh, wow. Magical for October. This almost looks like a chalk, you know, like chalk drawing. It's so pretty. And it's got silver foil on that one. Grateful for so much. Cute little pumpkin. And this has like a copper foil. In December, cheerful with the little berries. Fun colors. And notes. I want a whole pad of this paper. I love that. So this one, I adore this. I just think it is a really pretty, really versatile and seasonal because I love all things seasonal. So I'm going to figure out a way to incorporate this one because I just love it so much. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And I would love it if you'd hit that like, subscribe, and remind bell so you can see more videos from me. Thanks so much and have a great day.